My name is Sean Higgins with North Carolina State Parks, and our job is to help all people connect with our shared natural resources. And we welcome everyone to come celebrate Juneteenth in a North Carolina State Park.
And my name is Earl B. Hunter Jr. I'm the founder and president of Black Folks Camp 2. Our job is to remove fear, add knowledge, and invite more Black folks to camp and enjoy the outdoor lifestyle with any and everyone. And I'm here to co-sign with my friend Sean here to welcome you to come and celebrate Juneteenth, the holiday and celebration of Juneteenth here at North Carolina State Parks. Woo.